look at the US markets for the week starting 24th of November. Well, S&P is clearly on a huge recovery, making new all-time highs every week. This month in November, we got to 2072 on Friday, 2072 and a quarter, so that's the new all-time high. There's really nothing to add. We've been overbought now for 4 weeks. That doesn't matter when you're in a bull trend like this. All we can do is watch the new all-time high at 2072. Obviously a break higher is positive. We've got targets on the day's reports. You just can't really do anything but go with the bulls at this stage until you see something that tells you to do otherwise. The Russell picture isn't quite so positive, and we had a real problem when we tested November highs at 1190.5 and September highs at 1188 on Friday when we got to 1188.5. So we got just in between those two levels and backed off very aggressively. So picture not quite so positive for the Russell. Obviously all the levels are on today's report, but that will be the big one for this week to see if we can get through there. Nasdaq chart, similar to the S&P in that we just keep edging higher. Slowly, really. It's quite a slow move higher because we're so overbought, but the fact is we keep going higher. Excuse me. And you can't fight against that until you see something that tells you that the trend has changed. You can see from the Dow Jones chart that I can only repeat myself, higher and higher. We've hardly had any red candles at all actually in this move higher over the last couple of months, 6 weeks or so, whatever it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 down days, and even then they weren't really down days. 2 of those are unchanged. Only 2 down days really in the whole of this recovery. So it's an incredible run, and there's just no point in trying to pick a top in this.